In this lesson, you'll learn how to draw simple lines with the line and elliptic arc tools. These tools are located under the Star tool in the Tools panel. Download the document attached to this video tutorial to follow along the lesson and practice. Make sure the Smart Guides are disabled in the Settings menu located in the control bar. We won't need them for this lesson. To begin drawing our first straight lines, we need to select Line tool on the Tools panel or press / on the keyboard. Then click on the canvas and drag in the direction we want the line to go. Release the mouse button at the point where the line should end. If you press and hold the Shift button while drawing the line, it will snap to every 15-degree increments. This is especially useful if you want to draw horizontal or vertical lines. Please note that if you hold the Option button while drawing the line, first click will define the center of the line. The position of the cursor will define the length and direction of one shoulder. Another shoulder will be of the same length in the opposite direction. A part of the bridge in our document looks slightly unfinished, so let's add missing elements. At first, we will add several lines to the bridge tower. To adjust the line position, length, or angle, you can switch to Selection tool and operate with the anchor points at both sides of the line. If you want to change the width of the line, use the Stroke settings in the Appearance panel. Here you may also change the color of any line. We will explain the specifics of this panel in one of the following lessons. Now let's switch to Move tool to adjust the position, color, and width of all straight lines that we added to the bridge. You might have noticed that the bridge has plenty of identical elements, so we can create each unique element only once and then duplicate it. To create a copy of an object, select it. Activate the Move tool. Now press and hold the Option key and then drag the object. Notice that you are moving the object's copy. Drop it at a new position by releasing the mouse button first and then the Option key. You may also duplicate any selection by pressing Command-D or by clicking Edit Duplicate in the Program menu. Well, it's about time to add a few suspension cables to the bridge we're working on. We will do this by using the Elliptic Arc tool, which is located under the Line tool in the Tools panel. Note that this tool allows to draw several types of sectors and arcs, but we will use only the elliptic arc for this video. Similar to the Line tool, the first click defines the starting position of the arc. Then we drag the cursor and release the mouse button where the arc ends. As you may notice, the arc is drawn with the gray filling. It happens because the line has Fill option enabled in the Appearance panel. Untick the box to disable the fill. Let's add now the remaining cables and then several suspenders to them using the Line tool again. With a few additional tweaks, our bridge is over and we learned how to use 2 new drawing tools. In our next videos, you will learn how to draw shapes and paths with the help of the Pen tool.